Alright, so I've got the first crew member in the Panzer IV. Shut up, Elsie. Elsie's a bit angry. I don't know what about. And I'm starting to muck around with that first foliage, so see how we go. Once I get all the crew in, I'll add more foliage around the top and all that kind of stuff. But he looks pretty good in his spot, the driver. So I've got another guy to go in that hatch there, and then there's another guy climbing up the top, and the commander will go in there. So I like it. It looks pretty good. He sort of adds it's like the cherry on top, isn't it? And his insignia is looking good. So that came up good. I just added some black wash to it and cleaned it up with a cotton bud. And then I put him in with some super glue. So I don't know if he's solid yet. Oh, he moves a little bit. I might add a little bit more glue so he's in there good. So that'll be nice. Got a whole heap of them. I like it. Alright, get the rest of the crew ready, eh? Yeah, because we've only got a few more to go. So I put the insignia on this guy. There, so we'll just let that clear gloss dry, and then we'll have a look and see where we're at with that. And he's the one that goes in the hatch, so he's the radio operator. So I'll get all the guys in, and then we can work out a little base for him, so I can put the last guy that's running towards the tank in. But yeah, I like it. It looks good, doesn't it? Not bad, mini art. Not the greatest. Like, they're not the greatest figures, but not too bad, mini art. Not too bad at all. Alright. And that's a border Panzer IV. Os Furlong J. That's one I painted a long time ago, so it's not my greatest paint job. You see, I'm getting better at painting. But it will do. It's all a part of the history of modelling. Alright, I'll carry on.